Hello and welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe so you can get notified on future contents. Today I'll be assisting you with your scholarship dream become a reality. I'll be going through step by step in detailed process of how you too can be a scholarship recipient based on my experience as a Manaaki New Zealand Scholarship recipient, studying for a Masters of Renewable Energy Systems Engineering at the Victoria University of Wellington in New Zealand, under the Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science in 2025 to 2026. I'll specifically be showing you on how you can apply for the Manaaki New Zealand Scholarship. This scholarship opens every year around the month of March and opens for 1 month, duration of 1 month. So firstly, before you begin your scholarships journey, you need to know what your study interests are and begin preparing your documents before you begin the application process, because the types of scholarships offered are these ones. If you are planning undergraduate or postgraduate scholarships, this one is for you. Do frequently check the Manaaki New Zealand Scholarship websites for opening dates. It's a basic web search. Just type Manaaki New Zealand Scholarships and you'll see it right there. Open and check. Straight to the headlines. Tertiary applications for the Manaaki New Zealand Scholarship Program will open at midnight, the 1st of March 2026, and closes at midday on the 31st of March 2026. Scroll over to the scholarship you like, open it, and follow the steps outlined. Firstly, check your country's eligibility from the list. There are 2 categories: eligible Pacific countries and eligible Asian countries. Check your region. I will check eligible Pacific countries. These are the eligible Pacific countries. Levels of study available and expected start dates. Also, Pacific countries have 2 options: scholarships to study in New Zealand or scholarships to study at a Pacific university. Unfortunately, only 2 universities in Fiji are included in the second category and not any PNG universities. If your country is not on this page, you can research scholarships from other New Zealand organizations. Fortunately, most Pacific countries are listed. Secondly, check the eligibility criteria. Make sure you read the details of the 7 eligibility criteria listed. For instance, you must choose a study interest that meets the scholarship's criteria on the range of development needs of your country to have a higher chance of succeeding. This may include courses under medicine, law, engineering, education, health, and so on. Each country has different course categories. There is no upper age limit. However, applicants who are under 40 years of age are mostly preferred. Remember, the selection process is rigorous and competitive, and you can get dropped if you fail at any stage. Thirdly, check the recommended study subjects for your region. Expand each country's categories for details. Fourthly, research the available courses in the recommended New Zealand universities and Pacific universities listed as shown. Then start your application process by opening how to apply for a scholarship. Open the category you're applying for. For instance, I'm checking Pacific countries apply to study in New Zealand. It says eligible citizens from the Pacific who want to study in New Zealand can apply for a Manaaki New Zealand Scholarship online here. You see this online here. This will appear green as a link when the scholarship opens that you can click to apply, similar to this green link here. Step 6 is how they conduct the selection. Read all 6 selection guidelines to familiarize yourself. These selection steps include the various tests and interviews that you will go through to the final stage. This process takes 1 year to go through. As mentioned earlier, you can be dropped at any stage, so check them out. Step 7 outlines what to do next for preferred candidates after having passed. It outlines 6 admission and scholarship acceptance process. Check them out. The final step is a congratulatory remark on those applicants who will join the Manaaki Scholarships. It provides information on what you need to do if you are offered and accept a Manaaki New Zealand Scholarship. To make things easier, it's best you start your preparation process prior to the opening dates, as it can be overwhelming rushing against time. First is to start searching preferred courses of your choice in any New Zealand universities, checking their individual eligibility criteria. Also, if you are applying for postgraduate masters, ensure that the courses you are applying for is aligned with your past undergraduate studies. For undergrads, you can just apply as you are after having completed grades 12. It's an intense process. Ensure to attend all interviews, sit all tests, and one more thing. Do your own passport in advance at your own cost. Manaaki Scholarships take care of all other expenses like visa, medicals, air travel. It's a full scholarship, including tuition fees and allowances offered. The information provided here are based solely on my experience as a New Zealand Manaaki Scholar. Conditions changes, but principles are the same. Also conduct your own research to solidify your application for a higher chance of success. Thank you very much, and I hope this may help you as you begin your scholarships journey. Please do subscribe, give a thumbs up so you can get notified on future contents, and all the best in your scholarship endeavor.